airport secrets, and free perks they don't tell you. You spend hours in airports in metal tubes, so every small edge matters. This video gives you a clean, loop-based system to fly smarter, comfort tricks that actually work, small hygiene wins that keep you healthy, and free perks most travelers never claim. I'll open 2 loops you'll want closed. First, the tap you should never sip from, you'll see why soon. And second, the layover hack that turns dead time into a free mini tour of a new city. Along the way, you'll connect ideas, like how a simple water bottle solves 3 problems at once, and why a seat choice can change both service and turbulence in your favor. Keep your phone close. A couple of tiny digital moves unlock instant rebooking and stable Wi-Fi when everyone else is stuck. By the end, you'll have a repeatable routine you can run on autopilot, and you'll never look at airports the same way again. You slide into that gorgeous window view and feel a sneaky cold creeping in, because exterior air at cruising altitude is brutally cold, and the fuselage conducts more chill to that seat, which can catch you off guard if you dress light. The fix is simple: layer a thin hoodie or scarf within reach and ask for a blanket before service starts, or stash a compact soft shell in your personal item, so you keep the view without the shivers and land fresher, setting you up for the next comfort tweak that protects your stomach as well as your nerves. When the cart rolls by with coffee and tea, your body begs for something warm, but the water for many onboard hot drinks comes from internal tanks that aren't always pristine, so you play it safe by asking for bottled water, canned juice, or sealed sparkling water and warm up with layers rather than a questionable brew. You stay hydrated and avoid roulette, which pairs perfectly with a later loop on refilling your bottle for free, right after we tackle the dirtiest place on the plane. You flip down the tray to set your snack and laptop, but those trays and seatback pockets collect crumbs, tissues, wrappers, and worse, making them some of the grimiest surfaces on board. Do a 10-second wipe with a disinfectant wipe and keep loose items in a zip pouch instead of the pocket, so your hands, face, and food stay cleaner. And you'll be glad when we talk clothing choices that keep you comfortable and protected in the next loop. Choosing a departure time is tempting when a leisurely afternoon flight calls your name, yet delays stack as the day wears on as crews, aircraft, and weather ripple into later schedules and bumpier rides. Pick a morning departure whenever possible for a smoother climb and a better chance of landing when you planned. A calm setup that makes the next seat choice even more effective for service. Most people rush the front for a fast exit, but service up there has to look equal and restrained. Sitting a bit farther back frees crews to quietly offer extras like water top-ups, snacks, or blankets, with fewer eyes on them, so you trade a slightly later deplaning for more attentive care and cushion that wins with a counterintuitive pillow trick next. Blowing up your travel pillow until it's rock solid feels right, until cabin pressure shifts and that tight ring strains your neck. Add just enough air for support, and then top up or bleed air after takeoff if needed, so your spine stays happy and you actually sleep. Rest you'll appreciate when the meal cart arrives with a way to be served sooner than everyone else. If you've ever waited forever for standard meals only to settle for the last mystery option, there's a quiet workaround. Pre-select a special meal, vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, kosher, or similar, during booking or check-in because they're often fresher and delivered earlier. You eat first and better, a free upgrade that links back to our cleanliness habits and tees up a clothing choice that keeps the rest of the flight comfortable. Shorts feel airy at the gate, but seats aren't deeply cleaned between quick turns and cabin temps swing cool, so bare skin meets mystery surfaces in cold drafts. Wear breathable joggers or jeans and add thin socks, and give armrests and buckles a quick wipe, which keeps you warm and cleaner and positions you to breeze through a tedious mid-descent moment with a tiny tool. On international flights, the cabin turns into a pen scavenger hunt when entry forms appear. Keep a simple ballpoint in your passport wallet and fill the form the moment it arrives to avoid awkward borrowing and route backups, letting you relax and focus on a smarter seat pick that calms turbulence in the first place. If bumps make you tense, the back and the nose can feel more motion, while over the wing, near the aircraft's center of lift and mass, tends to ride steadier. Choose a seat in that zone to keep your nerves cooler and your drink steadier. And with your comfort settled, you can use the app trick that puts you in control when plans change. A gate change flashes and lines snake at the desk while time slips away. Install the airline app before you leave. Enable notifications, store your boarding pass, and use in-app rebooking the second a delay hits, so you act while others wait, and combine that with the next bottle move, so you glide through the terminal without paying a cent for water. Security forces you to toss liquids in kiosks beyond the scanners, sell water for a small fortune. Bring an empty reusable bottle through security and fill it at a fountain or bottle station near your gate, giving you free hydration and alertness, which primes you for a backup power plan, because a dead phone cancels all those app advantages. Reaching for your phone at boarding and seeing 3% battery creates an instant chaos when the boarding pass, rideshare, and hotel info all live there. Carry a reliable power bank and cable in your personal item and top up during any sit-down, keeping your device alive so the next privacy trick works when you're scouting flights and fares. Loop 14, search in private mode. Price checking a route repeatedly can feel like fares are creeping up on you. Compare in a private or incognito window and clear cookies when you shift dates or routes for cleaner results. Then, when you settle on a seat, validate it with a quick map check that saves both knees and sanity. Row numbers can lie. Some seats don't recline, some sit by lavatories, and others have reduced legroom. Preview your aircraft's seat map on a reputable seat review site to spot duds and gems, so you stack wins with our earlier back row edge and overwing calm. And now we'll finally close the first intro loop about the tap you shouldn't sip from on the ground. After landing, overpriced water seems unavoidable, yet many terminals hide refill stations around restrooms and gate areas, and even label them on terminal maps. Use them and hydrate for free, avoiding sketchy taps and closing the never sip that loop from earlier. Then stretch that connectivity without buying premium Wi-Fi. Free airport Wi-Fi often cuts you off after a short trial to nudge you toward paid tiers. Toggle airplane mode for a few seconds and reconnect to start a fresh session, or rotate devices if you're traveling as a pair, staying online long enough to confirm gates and rideshare. Perfect timing for the calmer layover fix that beats doom scrolling. A long connection after a long haul leaves you foggy and grimy, but many transit hubs offer complimentary shower facilities or will grant lounge access if you're delayed or rebooked and you ask politely. 20 minutes later, you're reset and human again, ready to move bags without paying a cart fee if you're in the right terminals. At baggage claim, those pay to unlock carts feel like a tax on exhaustion. Yet some major hubs provide carts free in arrivals, and even where they don't, abandoned carts often stack a little farther from the main carousel. Grab one and roll out without digging for coins, saving both time and patience so you can focus on a layover upgrade that's actually fun. Staring at a 6-hour clock doesn't have to mean bench purgatory. Ask the transit desk whether the airport runs complimentary city tours for long layovers. Because some hubs offer guided outings with transport, included if you meet visa and time requirements, letting you collect bonus memories without touching your wallet and sealing the second open loop from the intro. Then back in the terminal, there's free fuel if you know where to look. Hunger hits and menus. Near your gate look painful, but duty-free counters often offer chocolate or snack samples, and food stalls will give taste. Graze legitimately to take the edge off, then buy deliberately if you're still hungry, so your energy stays steady for the next power nap trick. Trying to sleep upright under bright lights is a recipe for a sore neck and a wired brain. Search airport name, sleep spots, quiet zone before you fly, because many terminals have dim lounges, reclining chairs, or nap pods you can use or book cheaply, which gives you a real rest and the clarity to top up your phone where others aren't looking. Every visible outlet gets mobbed, but useful power hides under seating, behind pillars, by less busy gates, or in charging totems off the main concourse. Keep a cable long enough to reach awkward spots, depart topped up, and complete the circuit with our power bank plan. Then, when you land abroad, there's a smarter way to get online than eating roaming fees. Landing in a new country with scary roaming rates isn't your only option. Look for official kiosks or info desks that hand out free visitor SIMs, or cards with a small starter data pack and simple top-ups, so you're connected on your terms and can ride into town without paying tourist trap fares thanks to one last ground transfer perk. The first transfer can quietly become your costliest, but some airports or cities offer complimentary shuttle, tram, or train programs into central areas. Check the airport's website or ask the info desk, and you might reach your hotel for free or at a steep discount, arriving with clean hands, a calm stomach, a steady phone, and money left for the trip. Bringing our callbacks full circle, the bottle you filled saved cash after you skipped hot drinks, the seat map and overwing pick cut bumps and stress, and the app plus power strategy kept you informed and in control. You now have a repeatable travel ritual. Dress for the cabin, clean the surfaces that matter, choose seats that smooth the ride and quietly improve service, and run your digital stack. Private search, airline app, power bank, and Wi-Fi reset to stay a step ahead. The never sip that tap loop closed when you use refill stations and sealed options instead of questionable hot water tanks, and the dead time layover loop closed when you turned away into a free city tour and a shower. The tiebacks make it stick. The bottle you carried saved you as security at the gate, on board, and after landing. The app you installed made rebooking and lounge access simple. The seat choices you made cut turbulence and got you fed early. On your next flight, run these loops in order and watch your stress drop with every gate you pass. If you want more deep dive checklists like this, packing, jet lag resets, or a 2-line upgrade ask, say the word and I'll build them for you.